Yeah, I'm on the east side. I'm on the east side. Alright, yeah. Alright, let me call you back. Plug. Yes.
When you're invested like I am, when you're a team player like I am, a lot of the time statistics don't matter. One of my good friends, Dozy, he pointed out to me. He said that, you know, stats are like seeing a girl in a bikini. You know, it shows a lot, but it doesn't show everything. You know, so, and I hold a lot of truth to that.
Have you ever not been the fastest guy on your football team?
Never. Never. Not the league either. So I know it's a lot of question out there, and I'm going to put that out there. Yes, I'm still the fastest in the league, and I'm willing to prove it.
I assume you saw what John Ross ran at the Combine.
Oh, I did.
You think you beat him in a race? So?
No, I don't think. I don't go into situations thinking I know. So.
You know you could beat him in a race?
Do you think you beat most of us running backwards?
I don't know. Now, I don't know about that. I haven't seen what y'all got in the tank, so I don't know.
I do. You would.
Hey. You ain't seen me, huh, Ferg? Had to go back to Young Bo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You be getting a motorcycle next.
Yeah. Nah, hell nah.
What's up, youngster?
Day one, baby. Let's get it.
Hey, we got work on 3. 1, 2, 3, work. Yeah, baby. Let's go, boys. Hey, I'm ready for you today. I'm conditioned, baby.
I feel great. It take me like 2 seconds to catch my breath.
Hey, everybody get a burst now. Get a burst. I gave my burst over there. Had to walk around. Hey, full play now. Hey, Jimmy, come on, boy. Good D. Good D. He was coming to tackle me. Jimmy we had good pitch relationships, you know what I'm saying? Keep the tempo, White. One base. Ball right here. Boo. Hey. Ah! No good. Out of bounds. Hey, good work today, fellas. Come back tomorrow and get better. 9 on 3. 1, 2, 3. Day one, OT. I'm mic'd up today.
You mic'd up?
I'm mic'd up today.
You got the wire on you?
I got the wire on. Everybody on D, man. We create identity tonight. Everybody to the ball, whether you're on special teams, defense, it don't matter. Make a name for yourself and represent the 49ers the way we know how. Let's go, D on 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's go!
Set the tone.
Already. Let's go. Hey, early.
Let's go.
Early. 5 yards too much. 5 yards too much. We rocking today, fellas.
Ready to roll, brother?
Yes, sir.
Let's have some fun tonight, all right?
Hey, fellas, I don't know about y'all, man. I don't know about y'all, but I'm excited about this year, man.
Yes, sir.
All I gotta say is, whatever spot you in, whatever position you playing, own that. I'm your brother's keeper. I'm gonna lay this on the line for every one of y'all tonight, all season, because that's just who I am. If you are your brother's keeper, bring this in right now. 9 on 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey, let's go, baby.
3rd and 8 now from the Rams 11. Only 4 rush. Keenum keeps the ball and is sacked inside the 5.
Hey, I see you, 5. Let's go. Good work, y'all.
It's loud as hell out there, you know what I'm saying?
Can't hear him.
2nd and goal from the 11. Gabbert out of the shotgun, gives it to Hyde, picks up the middle, and Hyde runs right up the left hash for the 49er touchdown.
Okay, Lou. You look like me in practice. Yeah, Red. Round 3. three. It's a big series right now. Their defense is tired. Let's go 3 and out. Let's go eat. Let's go eat.
Third down, looking right, throws that slant, and it's almost picked. Jermaine Brock.
Hey, that was too easy. Shut up, boy. Hey, you got scared, didn't you?
Keenum in the shotgun. Gurley to his right, 2 receivers left. Austin is slot left. Keenum play action, looking for Austin. Ball tipped at the line. Intercepted by Bowman.
Wow.
Hey, boy. Yeah!
Dang. That's
I went up and said, oh yeah, this mine. I got it.
Why he got up high?
Over the back. Yeah, right.
Really, I caught it, and then he just took it. He didn't catch it. I caught it. I ain't never gonna let you live that down.
I felt you coming to get it too.
I had it. I had it. So I was about to rock you. I was going to see him bat it. I backed up. I'm like, oh, this is mine, bro. I got this.
4th and 6. Gonna throw one to the near side. Caught by Curley. First down, 49ers.
Oh yeah, baby, we rolling today.
Gabbert gives it to Drone, trying to bounce it outside left. Can he turn the corner? Stiff arms a man, and Drone gets in. Touchdown, 49ers.
You turn it over, we'll score.
That's a hell of a job.
Yeah.
Exhausted.
Yeah.
We got to get
him off. Yeah. Let's go, Red. This one you gonna have fun right here.
Third down, 3rd and 8 for the Rams.
Hey, let's go now. We're gonna get to him.
Here comes a double blitz, a big blitz up the middle on Keenum, who throws one incomplete. The late blitz, the last man through was Eric Reed.
Here comes the run. Hey, screen or run, screen or run.
Keenum back, dropping deep, sets up a screen. It's Gurley on the left side, and Ray Armstrong blew it up.
Hey, you know, hey, I was coming too. You already know. Hey, I was right behind you. I was like, get him right. Hey, Joe, the goose egg's still up there now. The goose egg is still up there now. Don't let up, Red. Do not let up.
Keenum looking. Keenum throws to the middle, and it's intercepted by Ray Armstrong.
Good catch, Ray, even though it's with your body.
Here to the 35. No, great cover by Tart. Shotgun snap, 2nd and 15. Gabbert in the logo. Fires deep. Got a man. Patton turning to the far side. 20. 15. Out of bounds at the 10.
I thought I was going to the crib. Hey, one more. Oh, let's put that 28 on these people.
Hand off to Hyde. He's up the middle, and he's in. Touchdown, 49ers.
Hey, online, I see how y'all working today. That 28 nothing feels good. You hear me? Hey, let's focus up now. We keeping them out, all right? Let's go. Run, 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 run. Great job. Yeah. We did it.
Relax yourself.
Yeah, I know.
Good.
We gotta go to
Hey, big news with the Niners, with your team. You guys got John Lynch as your GM, and you're about to get Kyle Shanahan as your coach. You know, how do you feel about that?
Feel good, man. Ready to win.
Ready to win. Is this going to be the turning point, you know, get back to the Harbaugh days like 4 or 5 years ago?
I hope so. I got faith in my man, though.
Because Kyle Shanahan with the explosive offense.
Yes, sir. They about to win the Super Bowl.
What do you want to see happen with Colin? Because they're saying he might be a free agent. What do you want to see happen there?
I don't know. So, hey, shout out to my man Cap, man.
Okay, shout out to him.
Hey.
All right, Carlos.
Hey, know your rights, like my man said.
Hey, you looking forward to Lady Gaga halftime performance?
Hell no.
Hell no. Hey, you guys be safe in Houston, all right? Take care.
You can have a big day today.
Well, let's go, man. Start fast, man.
Coach, I love the big stage.
You are on the big stage.
I love it.
Make sure you're doing everything right. You know what I'm saying? You look great out there, man. I trust the lady, man.
Yes, sir. I am. I just bought it. It's for the visor.
Shotgun snap, Dallas blitzes. Gabbert, though, has time. Throws across, caught left side, Curley to the 10. Cuts back to the 5, and he's in. Touchdown, 49ers.
Let's go. Hey, two, man. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Keep it going like that.
Hyde trying to spin back, gets away from a defender and drives it out for a terrific gain.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
Gabbert takes the snap, throws the cross in the middle, caught inside the 15 by Curley.
That's what I'm talking about, man. Hell yeah.
Gabbert gives it to Hyde. Hyde is hit, trying to bounce it outside right. He'll get in. Touchdown, 49ers.
Carlos Hyde letting those blocks develop in front of him. Sees Trent Brown, has got Tyrone Crawford hooked to the outside, bounces it out there and walks in for 6 points.
Yeah, all day long.
Stick with it, man. Good job.
All right, so it's 3rd and 3, Dallas. Prescott looking, throws the slant to the right, and it's broken up. And that's the rookie, Rashard Robinson.
I see you, Rashad. I see you, Rashad.
Hyde running with intent all the way down inside the Dallas 45.
Terrific double team by Kilgore and Zane Beatles. Hyde off to the races.
D4, let's go. Yep. Let's go, baby. Go, baby. Come on. Big Trent. Let's get to that, baby. Hey, let's win on 3, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Wait.
Bring them out, bring them out. Bring them out, bring them out.
That boy Jared Goff, man, I get him in my sights. Oh my goodness. That's what I'm talking about.
That huge wingspan of DeForest Buckner got in there.
Oh man. Keep getting rid of that ball, man.
Quarterbacks, running back, to tackle.
Goff is going to go down at the 31-yard line. DeForest Buckner.
He's wreaking havoc online, on the edge. To quarterbacks, running back, to tackle, so he can play it all. Look at him.
Finally got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Happy for you. Hey, it's gonna Wildcat. Never mind, tripping. Come on, baby. Get out, Cat.
Kaepernick complete to the 10.
Come on, baby.
Throw, catch made. Rod Streeter has a 49er touchdown.
Hey, get back.
1 second left. Throw. And it's intercepted by Rashard Robinson. And the 49ers sideline erupting with joy.
Hey, go get it, baby, boy.
In case you guys want to lace them up.
Better start lifting again.
That's very good. That is awesome.
That is really probably be embarrassing for me to try this on right now. That was cool. I'm definitely gonna wear this when I'm alone and no one sees me. I gotta get back in the weight room first.
You a freaking junior? Wow. Dang. That's
So clean and the motherfuckers just talking. I show up at the spot and now everyone they are watching.